Give me 2 more. Okay, relax and be ready. Whoa, backwards 1. Get down, get down. Stay down a minute. I didn't hit that rock hardly at all today. All right, get up. Up, you've all run a class 4 rapid now. Give me 2. Look to your right. You see why we went over. There's 10 rocks in the landing. I usually get behind my buddy Zeke and make sure he's safe. Give me 2 more. We're going Blue Angel behind Zeke. He's setting safety for the trip. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. We want to make door number 2 because that's where my buddy likes to go also. Give me 2. Give me 1 more. Good job, team. This is flying. Give me 1. Give me 2 more. 2 more. Lean in a little. Don't fall out here. Don't fall out, Fred. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Go. Get together. Stay together. Y'all are good. Good job, team. All right, it's going to be really exciting in Olympic course like that. We want to make sure we stay in sync and pal together. It'll make it more fun because we'll definitely be all in the boat that way. This is Blue Hole. It is serious class 4. There are hazards to swimming this rapid. I tell you that because we're through it now. Give me 2. Make happy thoughts. You like Ren and Stimpy now, all rolled up in one. Give me 2. These are to warm you up a little. Give me 1 more. Coming up, smiley face. Name for the only graffiti not removed for the game, but it is below the water line. Give me 2. Give me 3. Coming up is slam dunk. It really is in a kayak. Probably be gentle in the raft, it usually is. All right, give me 2. We are headed to the best part coming up Callahan. Give me 2 more. You will be paddling through breaking waves and stuff. Do not lean away from the waves. That's bad luck. Give me 2 more. Oh, don't laugh, Fred. Paddle. Give me 3. Need more power on the right. Give me 3 more. Give me 2 more. Give me 2. Relax. All right, Dave, give me 3. Give me 2. I feel like a slinky. I can't believe I fall all over the place. You thought I was going to swim, didn't you? Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Relax, relax. We might have to rescue people. We might have to rescue people. No, he's got the tongue. He's going to get it. Whoops, I spoke too soon. I was trying to help him. Give me 2. Give me 2. I should have waited longer. I thought he had it. He must try to turn. All right, brace yourselves. Don't fall out here. Get ready for a hard hit up front. Give me all forward. Go, go, go. All backwards, all backwards. Keep coming back. Good job, team. Y'all did awesome. Did y'all see what happened behind us? Okay. Big hit here. That hurt. I am such a goofball. Give me 3 now. Give me 2 more. We're only gonna get the edge of number 2, but we're gonna get the big one coming up. All right, team. You can get down if you want, so lean in really well and hold on if you don't. I'm gonna get down. All right, backwards 3, backwards, backwards, bow backwards. This really matters. There's some bad rocks between me and that other white raft. Hey, relax, you're good. You can look upstream if you want to see the other rafts hitting it. I just gotta cool them off enough, make sure they eat lunch. Yeah, we hungry now. Oh, get me too. I'm always hungry. You can get down if you really want to get the full effect. Really hot days, I get down and back pretend like it's a big swimming pool. Uh-oh, we might get a little bumpage. Hard lot. As you tell, that's happened to me before. Yeah, everything that can float will float. This always makes me think the movie is. The original, I haven't seen the new one.
That's lucky right
This is how we wash rafts off. That's why mine's nice and white and shiny. It's the raft wash.
Man, you gonna catch hell holding on that the whole time.
I'm gonna throw it away when I get down. I found it. I thought it was a rope bag. And then one of my guests grabbed it for me so we could dispose of it properly. I think it used to be, it used to be like probably plant pot from Lowe's. Oh no, we took on a lot of water. Back in the 70s, this is when the tiniest cousin would have to bail the boat out. Fortunately, this boat will do it for itself. Usually you do. Usually swimmers do.
If these videos make you want to come rafting, consider rafting with me, Fast Fred. Check out the URL on the screen right now. I will appreciate you. I will show you a good time, and I'll do my best to keep you safe. So bring it on down to the Ocoee and let's have some fun. Looking forward to seeing you.